Muslim Achievements by Miss Peterson's Period 2 Social Studies class. What is algebra and how did it start? Algebra comes from the word algebir, which shows the bringing together of separate parts. A mathematician substitutes symbols such as x, y, and z for numbers to solve problems. Muslim scholars combined Greek and Indian number system to make it more advanced, which turned into algebra.
This is the same formatting used for algebra now in math. Algebra is the advanced form of basic computation. Also, the number system we use now is based on the Muslim writings.
Muslim scholars also made advances in mathematics. The field of algebra and advanced types of mathematics was first developed by Muslim scholars.
What is astronomy? Astronomy is the study of the skies. They can now calculate where they are on Earth because of a device called the astrolabe.
Astronomy helped improve their knowledge on time.
The Islamic banking system was created during the rule of the Abbasids of Baghdad.
The word check came from the Arabic word sek.
It was important that a check written in a bank in a part of the empire could be cashed in somewhere else because trade expanded and goods were being brought from other countries.
Why was calligraphy so popular? Well, back in then, visual depictions of humans and or animals were strictly prohibited, so valued elaborate items were just decorated in beautiful writing.
Calligraphy artists or calligraphers were honored more than any other type of artists.
Muslim art was mostly abstract. Pictures did not represent real subjects like humans or animals. In fact, it was believed that humans' images would disturb worshippers from praying to Allah.
The most common form of art during the Golden Age was arabesque. Arabesque is a winding system of leaves and flowers that form a spiraling design.
Including all Muslims' art, not just exclusive religion art, Islam art seemed to protect the meaning and essence of things instead of just the physical form. Painting and sculptures are not therefore as the noblest forms of art. People and animals cannot represent in specific religion arts.
Since circles have no ends, they are infinite. They remind Muslims that Allah is infinite. The repeating patterns demonstrate that in the small you can find the infinite. Complex geometric designs create the impression of unending repetition, which helps a person get an idea of the infinite nature of Allah.
Muslim hospitals. The first hospital established in the Muslim world, an early hospital that became a model for the future, was founded in Damascus, staffed with doctors paid by the government. By the 9th century, there were hospitals in all large Muslim towns.
Muslims based their medical skills on ancient Greek and Indian knowledge.
Muslim doctors started the world's first pharmacy school.
History of the House of Wisdom. The House of Wisdom was founded in 830 AD by a caliph named Al-Ma'mun. It was located in the city of Baghdad. People all over the world came here.
Importance. In the House of Wisdom, scholars from all over the world translated Arabic, Greek, Persian, and Indian texts on such topics as math, astronomy, and logic. This kept texts in different languages, such as Greek philosophy, from being lost by translating into an understandable language. The House of Wisdom also had an extensive library with Qurans, hadiths, and many other books. It was a model for the large libraries in Islam.
The creation of the first observatory in the Islamic world was ordered by Al-Mamun in 828 AD. The construction was directed by scholars from the House of Wisdom.
The most famous mathematician at the House of Wisdom was Khwarizm, who was known as the father of algebra.
Europe's first music school was founded by an Arab slave named Zirad in Cordoba. This music was filled with different cultures and styles. So many wealthy merchants hired musicians from Asia and Africa. The popular instruments included the oud, the ribab, the ney, and the darbuka.
How polo started. Polo was a game introduced by the Persians to the Muslims. Polo became such a popular game that now people all over the world play the exciting game.
About the game. Polo is a ball and goal game played on horseback by 2 teams of 4 on the grass field with a goalpost on both ends. Polo is played using a wooden mallet to hit the ball in the goal.
Polo is a game played by 2 teams of 4. Polo is only played by rich people because of the uses of horse.
Muslim scholars made advances in zoology in the Golden Age.
Medicine could be extracted from animals. Muslims' lifestyle and economy were dependent on animals for trade and travel.